Yo, what's up guys, it's WHYnotBrix. Today's we're going to show you how to play Peak with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always updated. And let's get started.
I won't stop till the end, no.
Now we have two in our files here and extract it by extract each archive to separate folder, and the password is 9. Right. Okay. Also this. After that, open the main folder of the pic, and then open this pic. Prepare. Copy or cut, and then paste. Place. And solve. And go to Steam. Add an unseen game. Browse. Desktop. And pick. Open. And select the program. Then find that. Here we go. Then just play. Guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you're always updated to my videos. Alright, let's play. So you can see it's working. Settings, alright, graphics, audio. Now, how to play with your friend. So you have a peak version 1.9, and also your friend download this file, and you should play peak version 1.9, and then open the game, and then keep F5. Or go to Steam, Friends, and or host the game. Before you invite, you just host the game first. Like that. Then invite friends. Like this. And your friend just received a message, then click the play, then your friend should join to your lobby. Right, guys, so thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace.
Talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say,